Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SLV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day on this one. Just silver SLV got absolutely destroyed on the gap down and then continued to get destroyed and is now, and not state the obvious, but just to establish some context, has a very, very impressive bounce here going on. No doubt about that. Good bounce, but that does lead to the valid question of, is there any sort of true power behind this bounce, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at $23.10. Why is $23.10 important? And I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, let's say the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then continues on down. What would you have at that point? You would quite literally have the price having gone right back inside of that range where it just was. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Again, I'm not saying that's what's going to happen, but that's not what, that wouldn't be a good sign at all. To be fair, no price can just go straight up either. So if the price were to come down here, difference being behave in that manner, then start to work its way back upwards, now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, in this situation, you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have lows down here. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined right there around the 23.10 mark. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, if this bounce is going to continue, first key battleground in any sort of continued bounce, right up there at 23.85, and then after 23.85, you're going to want to watch that pink line very closely, which on my chart denotes the well-known 200 period moving average. Current value of that is, we'll just call it at 24.40. But as of now, rough day today, but an interesting bounce here going on. Now it's just a question of, can the price build upon this bounce moving forward? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.